that. Catch that fish over there. 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 All right, your turn. Cậu cá.
Dạ.
Voi ai? Cậu cá. Bạn thấy? Cậu cá. A net. With a net. With a net. With a fishing pole. There's fresh rice in that little barge, going to the rice mill, which is right next door. And then here's where the rice comes from. Well, this is the transportation route from the rice farm. This is the best transportation route rather than take the highway. All right, finish with the parking lot. Hit. Hit ở đây. Hello, boatman. Same type of boat as this is. Can Tho. Who lives on this boat?